this video, we are going to animate normal run in profile angle. We start by drawing the key pose. Please see the video. We have already traced the head of the character as seen in the video. We start by drawing the torso. Notice how the gesture of the pose is a bit tilted forward here. The forward tilt shows momentum in the run. This is the key pose, so the leg which is in the front will be touching the ground slightly. The back leg will be in the air. Please see the video and follow. We have drawn our first key pose. Now we will add a blank keyframe using the F7 key and copy the head to this blank keyframe. We will now turn on the onion skin option and start drawing the second key pose with hands and legs flipped. We will add a new layer below the main layer and draw a line to establish ground level. We will copy the first pose to the last keyframe, which will help us to animate the run cycle in the loop. We will now draw the up pose where both the character's legs will be in the air. This will be the highest our character will go in the run cycle. We then trace the pose with hands and legs flipped. The next pose will be the contact pose where the character's foot will make contact with the ground. Please see the video. We then trace the contact pose for the next step with hands and legs flipped. The last pose will be the breakdown pose where the front leg will be stretched to show that he is really taking big steps while running. Please see the video and follow carefully. We then draw the second breakdown. We have now completed the run cycle as seen in the video. We will not be doing the in-between because the run cycle generally has no in-between. We can do the in-between drawings and set the timings on ones, but we are doing it on twos, which is why we don't need any in-between drawings. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.